So here's an app called Lock plus Home Widgets Widgetopia. So let's just give it a look. Aesthetics Lock plus home screen, 6,000 ratings. iOS 16 support for lock screen widgets. Choose from our 75,000 widgets or create your own. For the team behind Watchmaker, the largest watch face design community in the world, get ready to make your home screen unique with Widgetopia. So yeah, here is the app. Customize your device. 400,000 plus happy customers design your widget. One-click widget themes. So yeah, let's just take a look. And then you can just set up your first widget, then you can just continue. So yeah, this is how it looks like. So let's, for example, try to add this. We just add it, and then I just need to follow the instructions okay, so let's just tap and hold to make apps jiggle, and then let's search for widget. So that's kind of weird. Like I have this bug, or I don't know why is that, but I don't see the app show up here in the list of widgets. But anyhow, maybe you can, if you have the same issue, you can restart your phone. And then yeah, it should appear here in the list of widgets. So yeah, that's basically the idea. So you just have, and then you can just follow designers, because this app is kind of like a marketplace. And then you can also install all types of widgets: small widgets, medium widgets, large widgets, circular widgets on your lock screen. And then there's premium. So yeah, these are the ways how you can see it in all of these apps. And then there are also icons, and for some of those you need to upgrade. $4 per week, not super expensive, not super cheap. So that's basically the price you would pay. I would say you can find like cheaper apps in this category for the widgets with larger libraries. So if you just go to the top charts in, yeah, you can find, cheaper apps. But yeah, this is, yeah, just give it a try anyway. Sometimes you really like this specific widget and this specific wallpaper in the app, and you're like, okay, I'm ready to pay for it. So that's that. Hope it's helpful.